Can you hear that? It's the sound of things melting. It's actually above freezing today, and the water is dripping. It's pretty exciting. This is only going to last for today. We're going to stop having dripping apparently later tonight. The cold is going to come back, but let's see, we still have quite a bit of snow, but it's a lot mushier. Oh crap, I ought to get that snow off the driveway. It's a mess back there. Anyway, yeah, so see, lots of snow. It's quite lovely. But, yeah, I never shoveled the driveway last time, and it was really fluffy the other day when I took the car out. I was able to I moved some of it to go out, but I'm going to be, I don't know, am I going to be in trouble if I don't get this mess up and then it's going to refreeze? Nah, screw it. Who cares? Who cares? It's garbage day today. It was a day late because of the election. Congratulations. And my Obama sign is under a heap of snow right now. It's I left it up since the November election, but it's all gone. Anyway, time to go to work.